Alright guys, we're back here with another video. In today's video we are going to add a seat cover. Now we got one picked out, so in order to do this and take off the seat, we need to get off these screws right here. There's 3 of them on each side, and when we take those off we're able to access the screws underneath. There's a total of 6 of them, and 2 of them I could access right here, which isn't too bad. And then the rest are underneath. So in order to get to it, we need to remove each side plate. Okay, there's one. Now, as you can see, we got 1, 2, 3, and there's the 4th one, right there. 2, 4 up front, 2 in the back. All right, let's get the other side off. See that? Okay. That's done. Now we're gonna need a 10mm socket. Let's get it. You're gonna want a deep head socket here. This one's being a little pain in the butt. Come on. There you go. Got it. Now that we got all the screws off, take a look. You have the controller and all the wires and all the connectors. And here is the seat. So let's get in and check it out. Okay guys, welcome back. Finally got the seat cover on this thing. Took some effort, took some patience, but I mean, I finally got it. And I mean, overall, I'm pretty happy with it. There are a couple little creases and little wrinkles here that I couldn't get out, but I mean, for the most part, I'm not gonna complain about it. I'm pretty happy with it. A little bit right here, a little bit on the side as well, which isn't too bad in my opinion. And the front. It was just kind of hard getting these creases out, so you know, I'm just gonna have to live with it. Underneath, that's what it looks like right here. A lot of staples, At first, I decided to staple on the side, but that wasn't going too well, just because of the angle of everything and the staple gun. So I quickly aborted that and just started stapling on the bottom edges right here, which I'm pretty sure that's kind of how you're supposed to do it in the first place, but I took the long route, I guess. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Here's the folds right here. You know, I probably could have cut more, but I just left it. And I definitely had to cut a lot of the excess on the sides, kind of clean it up a little bit. It's not the prettiest job, but it'll work. And when it sits down on the bike itself, you know, you're not going to see all the stuff, obviously. So, I mean, this is fine. I try to keep the staples on the inside as the best I could, because the closer that they are on the outside, you can kind of see it on the edge, like this one, for example. This one didn't go all the way in. I might need to take that one out, but yeah, so I just try to keep them on the inside. That way, if you're looking at it from the side view, you're not going to see those staples. I already set it on the bike. It looks fine. You can't really see any of these staples anyway. So again, it did take some time and some patience. I am going to add some handlebar grips that I bought also. They are red in color. So we'll see how this all looks when it's all put together. Okay, here's the seat cover. It's been on here for a few weeks. I've already ridden it a few times already, so you might see some extra wrinkles here on the side. But overall, not bad. I colored the side plates matte black, so I think that accents everything pretty well. If you guys can see this. Added the red handlebar grips too. I removed the front headlight, added the light bar, added this little bag here. remove the front fender. I think it looks pretty good. I think eventually I'm gonna go with the gold foot pedals. And I don't know if I'm gonna do black or gold foot pegs. Let me know in the comments what you think. Black or gold. Kind of going for a red and gold theme here. Yeah, here it is. Not too shabby.